Thank you for calling Tom's Automotive. This is Candy. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm Candy Jennings with Tom's Automotive, where we do automotive service and repair on cars, trucks, and SUVs. Tom's Automotive was started in 1971. I purchased Tom's Automotive in 2011.
Candy does an amazing job here. I wouldn't work anywhere else.
She cares about the customer, she cares about us.
Candy and her crew at Tom's Automotive, they are detail-oriented, they know what they're talking about.
I've sent multiple customers to her and they've just all had rave reviews.
Being a woman in the automotive industry has always been very interesting. I've been doing it since I was 18 years old, and I learned how to treat customers with respect, and I had to earn the respect of the customers to prove to them that as a woman, I could know what I was talking about cars.
Our job and our goal here is to, one, be available to communicate with the customer, but to also to make sure that car continues to behave itself.
I think that our customer service is our number one feature that people enjoy. I mean, they like coming in, being able to talk to a technician, being able to go on a road test with a technician. We care about the people's cars, and they pick up on that. They know that we're trying to fix their car, take care of them.
Probably my favorite thing about them is that they will drop you off, pick you up. I've used one of their cars for a brief period of time when I needed to, and I always get a postcard afterwards thanking me for their business.
We give a really great warranty. Everything we do is guaranteed for 2 years, 24,000 miles. We use quality parts. We have the best technicians that are out there, and we're going to take good care of people.
I take all three of my cars to Tom's Automotive, or I don't even take them, my kids take them. And I trust that they're going to get taken care of when they take their car there. They're not going to get a bigger bill than they should. The job's going to be taken care of.
We look at the overall car and we give them options. We tell them this is what we see, and then let them pick and choose the things that they think are important or not important. A lot of times people can't just afford to do everything on their car at one time, so we help them to make a plan.
Tom's Automotive is the best auto repair shop in Seattle. Simple.
We're a family, and our customers are part of our family.